Practice set 2.5. So before start with the practice set 2.5, we write down some basic rule how to solve the exercise 2.5. In that we use the roots. The roots are known as alpha and beta. Alpha and beta. So how to find these roots? We use the equation here. The equation is x square minus sum of the root into x plus product of the root. Now what the mean of sum of the root? Sum of the roots, that is alpha plus beta, is equals to minus b upon a. This is a formula to find the sum of the root, that is alpha plus beta equals to minus b upon a. Then find the product of the root. Product of the roots, alpha into beta. Here we multiply the roots. Alpha multiplied with the beta, that equals to c upon a. The roots are alpha and beta. The equation is x square minus sum of the root plus product of the root. Sum of the root alpha plus beta, that equals to minus b upon a, and product of the root alpha into beta, that equals to c upon a. These are the basic rule. Now we write more. We find the discriminant. Discriminant, for that we use sign. It is known as delta. How to find the delta? Delta is equals to b square minus 4ac. That is to find the discriminant, that is delta. Now what the nature of this sign here? The delta, that equals to 0. It means the roots are real and equal. Discriminant, that is greater than 0. It means the roots are real and unequal. Discriminant less than 0, it means the roots are not real. These are the basic rules. When the discriminant delta is equals to 0, the roots are real and equal. When the delta is greater than 0, the roots are real and unequal. And when the delta is less than 0, the roots are not real. That is formula. This we use to solve the 2.5. Now the practice is 2.5. First one, the last part, you see in the basic rule how to solve the exercise practice set 2.5. Now our activity, the first one is given the activity. Here it is given the b square minus 4ac is equals to 5 and b square minus 4ac equals to minus 5. So what is the nature of the roots? Here the nature of the roots are, it is 5, so it is more than 0, it means real and unequal. Here less than 0, it is minus 5, so it is not real. Second part, it is given to write down the equation of given roots. So here sum of the root is given minus 7, product of the root is given a 5. So we know x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta is equals to 0. Substitute a value now, sum of the root, it is minus 7. And the product of the root, it is 5. So here minus minus plus, and here is already plus sign. So we get in the end x square plus 7x plus 5 equals to 0. And in third part, it asks about the given equation. You have to write down sum of the root and the product of the root. Here the equation is given 2x square minus 4x minus 3. But we know the equation form is x square minus alpha plus beta and plus alpha into beta. So first we divide whole equation with the 2. So here 2 and 2 cancel, 4 is cancelled with the 2 and 3 upon 2 is remains same. So you get in the end x square minus 2x minus 3 upon 2 is equals to 0. So it means in the end we got the sum of the root, it is plus 2. And product of the root is minus 3 upon 2. So we completed our first part. Now the second part, it asks about to find the discriminant. Discriminant, it means you have to find the delta. What the delta? Delta is a b square minus 4ac. So here it is given x square plus 7x minus 1 that equals to 0. Now here nothing is given, it means a is 1. Here b is 7 and c is minus 1. Now discriminant delta that equals to b square minus 4ac. B value is 7, a value is 1 and c value is minus 1. So square of 7 is 49, minus minus you get a plus 4. 49 plus 4 you get in the end is 53. It means the discriminant equals to 53. This way you have to find the remaining answers. Now the third one. The last part you seen that how to find the discriminant. Now again we start with the same. First we find the discriminant and then we write down their nature, because it's already given that how to find the discriminant and what the nature of the discriminant. So first we write a value for A, it is 1. B, it's a minus 4. And C, that equals to 4. Now discriminant is equals to b square minus 4ac. Substitute value now. What the b is given here? B is minus 4. Minus 4, what the A? 1. What the C? 4. So what the square of minus 4? It's a 16. Minus minus plus. Here minus 4 multiplied with the 4, again 16. So what do you get in the end? Discriminant equals to 0. Now the discriminant is equals to 0. So what the root now? What the nature of the roots? So nature of the roots are? The roots are real and equal. It's clear? This way you have to solve. First you have to find the discriminant, and according to the discriminant you have to write down the root, nature of the roots. Now fourth one, first one. First is given 0 and 4. 0 and 4 is given. What you have to write down in that? You have to write the equation, or you have to write down the equation with the roots. So here the roots, first alpha is given a 0, beta is given a 4. Find out the sum of the root. Sum of the root, it means alpha plus beta. So 0 plus 4, what do you get? 4. Product of the root, multiply it. 0 multiply with the 4. What do you get? You get a 0. Now, you know the equation. How to write down the equation here? X square minus sum of the root into x plus product of the root. Now x square minus, what the sum of the root? Sum of the root, that is we got it 4. Product of the root, what we got it here? Product of the root, we got it 0, that equals to 0. Okay, so that is your equation. The quadratic equation is x square minus 4x plus 0 equals to 0. Is clear? The remaining also you have to solve by the same. Two values given, alpha and beta. First add it, then multiply it, then substitute in the formula. So easily you get your answer.